Okay, so today's practical is about your simulation of half-wave rectifier. After making circuit, we'll simulate that circuit in your multi-sim software, and after that we'll calculate your average value, your RMS value, and the peak-to-peak voltage for the given signal. So let's start to make your circuit first. First, we need AC voltage. Okay, so this is your AC voltage. We'll change its parameter. We'll take 16.69 peak voltage, and then frequency 50 hertz. Okay, now we need resistor. We'll take 10k ohm resistor. We require diode for your half wave rectifier. Okay, now we'll connect this circuit. We need ground. Never forget to ground your circuit. Okay. We require multimeter. We require oscilloscope. We require oscilloscope to see your wave and to calculate your peak to peak voltage. We require multimeter to see your RMS and your average value of your voltage. So we'll connect positive terminal to positive and negative terminal to negative. Similarly for multimeter also, negative to negative and positive to positive. Okay. So circuit is completed now. Now we are ready to simulate our circuit. Okay, so this is your waveform on your oscilloscope. So wave is a little bit shifted to upward. So we need to bring our wave downward. Okay. Okay. So now you can calculate the voltage, peak to peak voltage for the given circuit. How we will calculate? So you can see your voltage covered 3 blocks, right? Your voltage covered 3 blocks and little bit portion of your fourth block also. Let's take it as a 0.2, right? So basically it has covered uh, how many division? It has covered 3.2 division, right? And you can see here you have connected channel A and you can see what is the scale here, 5 volt per division, right? And how many division you are having? You are having 3.2 division, right? 3.2 division. So we just need to multiply this division 5 volt per division into 3.2, right? If we multiply 5 into 3.2, we'll get around 16, we'll get around 16 voltage peak to peak. So this is how we can calculate peak to peak voltage. So this is about your calculate the calculation part of your peak to peak voltage. Now we'll calculate RMS value and average value from the multimeter. Okay, so uh, your voltage button is active and this is your DC sign. So right now currently it's showing your average voltage. If we click on this button, this sine wave button, at that time we'll get RMS value of your signal. So just note down these value, RMS value and your mm, average value like this, and then peak to peak value. You have to calculate peak to peak value from the oscilloscope. Okay, so this is all about your simulation part for the half wave rectifier.